In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new GA4 property in just about 5 minutes. Whether you're a seasoned marketer or new to the Google Analytics universe, this guide will walk you through each step to ensure your website or app is ready to collect valuable data for your business. Let's kick things off by heading to Google. This may seem like an obvious start, but ensuring you're signed into the correct Google account from the get-go is crucial. From the Google homepage, navigate to the Sign In button. Select your Google account from the list presented and enter your password. Once your credentials are entered correctly, click on Next to proceed. After you've successfully signed in, look towards the top right corner of your Google homepage. There you'll find the Google Apps icon. Clicking on it will reveal a grid of various Google services and applications. From this selection, find and click on Google Analytics. It's your gateway to setting up a new GA4 property. Once you're in Google Analytics, navigating through it can be quite straightforward, yet daunting for first-timers. You want to head to the Home section. This is usually your default landing page once you enter Google Analytics, but if you find yourself elsewhere, simply click on Home to get back on track. Next, you're ready to start creating your new property. Look for and click on the Create button. This action leads you to the starting point of establishing a new GA4 property. Your next click needs to be on Property. This step defines the purpose and scope of your data collection efforts, allowing you to name and structure your property according to your tracking needs. Speaking of naming, you'll then be prompted to type in your property name. This is where clarity and specificity come into play. Choose a name that succinctly describes your website or app, making it easily identifiable among potentially multiple properties in your analytics account. After naming your property, click on Next to proceed. You will be directed to enter your business details in the following section. This includes information regarding your industry category, business size, and how you intend to use Google Analytics with your property. Providing accurate business details helps tailor the Google Analytics experience to your needs, ensuring you're presented with relevant insights and features. Once you've entered your business details, you'll encounter a series of questions about your company. These questions are designed to further customize your analytics setup to best fit your business objectives. After answering these questions, the pivotal moment arrives. Click on Create. Congratulations, you've just set up a new GA4 property, but there's just one more step. Click on Continue to Home to finalize the process and jump straight into your new Google Analytics 4 property. Here, you're ready to explore a world of data collection, analysis, and insights that await to drive your business forward. In creating a GA4 property, you've taken a significant step towards understanding and enhancing your digital presence. Remember, the setup is just the beginning. The real power of Google Analytics comes from regularly reviewing your data, asking questions, and making data-driven decisions to improve your website or app's performance. That wraps up our detailed guide on creating a new GA4 property. Whether you're an individual blogger, a small business, or managing multiple websites for clients, GA4 offers the tools and insights necessary to support your online success. Dive in, explore, and most importantly, make the most out of the data at your fingertips. Happy analyzing.